Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Pedro and I am from Portugal and I'm trying to be a trader, I guess. So I try to record my journey and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I want to say I'm sorry for my English because in Portugal we don't speak English, so I'm trying to learn as time goes. So yeah, sorry for that, but I think you can understand pretty well. Yeah. So this video is is gonna be quite strange because I have a strategy and I bought a course. I try to do many things, and the way I found more success is one weird strategy because let me just go to the chart and try to explain. And and please subscribe to the channel. Let's try to grow to 10 and let's see if we can pass the 10 subscribers. Right now I think we are 7, so yeah, only 3 more. Let's go. So let me show you how this weird strategy works. So here we are. So today I got this trade here. It was on GBP CAD. Last week I did a video on this trade. We got it, and now we got another one. So, but this time, this trade on today, it was a little bit different. So last week we got this one, and we could see that we were under this zone and we got the move to the downside. After this location here in the chart, we don't want to sell because we, like I said in the last video, you can see if you want and give a like to the video. So we can see that last week we got uh, this move and we don't want to sell because in at this point we don't want to sell because we are on a weekly structure point. So we broke and retest and we were at this point. So we don't want to sell um, at this point. Now we look for buys. Okay. So by price touched the last structure on the weekly time frame and big rejection and trying to go to the upside because on a weekly we can see that we are clearly on a uptrend. So we don't want to sell um, at this point. Okay. So today we can see on the 4-hour chart we have a big area of interest here that I marked. You can see um, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support. And yeah, this is a great area. So what the what we did was price broke the area and retested as support now, and we look for buys. Okay, that's really it. There is no magic here. So, but what I'm doing now, the way I found more success is with this weird strategy because right now we can see we have a 1 to 1.67 risk to reward. Okay, that is really good, but I think it's really hard to find these moves. We almost try to be a hero sometimes because we want a small stop loss and big take profit, and it doesn't work like this every time. Okay, so this is really hard to find. Okay, so what I do I actually growth my account 4x's. Okay. So imagine if you have a $100 account or 100 euros, because here it's euros. So if you have 100 in your account, you grow it to 400. So what I did was I placed my take profit on a really where I think the price can go really easy. Okay. And I put my stop loss where I think the price has more difficulty to touch it. So what I'm trying to do is since I'm trading on a small account, I'm trying to build some capital. I want to do 10 to 20% a day or almost every trade I take. So what I do is maybe it was here, I don't really know. But yeah, we, let's go to the lower time frame. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so I entered the trade here yesterday. Yes, Monday 20. Okay, it was here. I entered the trade here and I'm trying to catch 20% of the capital. And I put a big stop loss where I think price I put this and now I put the stop loss where I think the price cannot go with that easy. So it's a big stop loss. Okay. And I put my TP where I think the price can go really easy. That's it. So we did the analysis on the 4 hour. Price was retesting the last structured point, and now I think we can have a push to the upside, and that happened to perfection. And I just put 20% here for my take profit, and this stop loss is just ginormous. Okay, I know that, and but that's okay because I risk a small capital. It is a small account, so I risked almost the whole account now, and we did 20%. Okay, we do that 5 times, and we double the account. Every time we win a trade, we don't risk the full capital. Okay, we only risk the starting capital because if you risk every time 100% of the account, if you lose the trade, you lose all the money that you have in your account. So what I do is I start one account, let's say 100 bucks, and we do 20%. Okay, now we have around 120, and I risk on another trade 100 bucks, and we grow it to 140. After that, 160, 180, 200. At 200, we withdraw all. Okay, we take our money back and we start again and we try to double it. This right now, it's working well for me. I got this one. I think I got another one here. It's the same thing. Um, I got this one and I am completely wrong on the move. Of course, we still have space to the price to do that. Okay, but we are already at our TP. So another one. Uh, I think that's it for now. Um, Sometimes I don't place this on the chart because I'm driving an Uber and I'm trying to place the trades. So that's why I use the higher time frames. But yeah, you can see I am completely wrong here and I still catch the move to hit my TP. Uh, this is a really, really weird situation. It's really weird to trade like this, but it's working. I don't really know. Sometimes I try to do everything right. Like I don't know, we are retesting. We had the lower time frames shift, and we enter the trade, and the trade just reverse and takes our stop loss. Um, Sometimes we are at 1-to-1 risk to reward, and we only exit 1-to-2 or 1.5, whatever, and the price just reverse and takes out on our stop loss or break even. I don't know. Um, this way for now is it's doing good for me. Um, and I think trading is really subjective because I don't know. I think you have to have a feeling what the market is doing to trade. I don't think a strategy or something. There is no magic here, okay? So because the price is only going up or down, we just tell ourselves the reasons we believe the price is going up and we place a trade because we don't really know what the price is going to do. So I don't know. But right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to grow some capital. Um, yes, I know I missed a lot of profits here, but trust me, I try to hold trades many times, and sometimes the price just goes like at this point, and let's say this is 1-to-2, and price is here, and after that, boom, takes our stop loss. So at least the trades are really quick. You can place a trade almost anywhere, and you don't have to wait for your entry signal or anything. It's just put your TP where it's really easy to hit, and your stop loss in a place that is really hard to hit, that you think it's really hard to hit. And I mean, small account. If I blow the account, I don't really care. And it is a small account, and you double it, withdrawal, double it again, withdrawal. If you blow one, I don't know, whatever. Be comfortable with losing money, and yeah, try to grow it again because trading it is really really hard, and you have to do what works for you. So right now it's working for me this way, and of course I will try to catch trades um, with higher risk to reward, of course. But yeah, now I'm waiting. Now I'm waiting to for the price to come back to this area and going up. I need the retests here on the daily time frame, so I can place a trade. I can place a trade like uh, like this, something like that. Okay, I need the price to come back again, and give all the strategy to play out, and I do a trade with a higher risk to reward. But yes, these trades only happen 1 or 2 times a week, 3 times, and you have to see every market, so it's really hard. And these ones with the lower risk to reward, actually it's negative risk to reward. You have a higher win rate, and it's really hard to find these trades, and you can um do 20% of the account really easy. You have higher win rate here, and with these ones you have a lower win rate. So yeah, right now I just did forex on the account with this strategy, in 2.5 weeks, I think. So yeah, and you can see I don't trade every day. I place one trade a day, mm, on the best scenario because I'm driving, so I'm not looking all the time at the charts. But yeah, I try to catch it, yeah, and so far so good. Um, I hope I made myself clear. You can understand what I say. I hope so. Um, and yes, if you understand, please give a like and subscribe. And yeah, just enjoy my trading and join our channel. Yeah, let's try to grow it. Goodbye, guys.